Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 45. JIB-E. JIB-E. JIB-E is the Korean noun for home. The word JIB-E could be divided into two syllables, JIB-E. JIB is formed from the combination of the sounds of chiyut, e, and biyup. And e is just the sound of e itself with a placeholder e at the first position of the syllable. JIB-E. Let's use JIB-E in a sentence. Na JIB-E kale. This sentence means, I wanna go home. The word na means I, and this is the subject of the sentence. JIB-E, our word for today, means home, while gale is used to say that you want to go. JIB-E and gale are both parts of the predicate, and JIB-E here is used as the noun that describes the place where the subject wants to go. Therefore, the meaning of the sentence, na JIB-E gale, is, I wanna go home. And with that, you've just learned JIB-E. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 35 to 44. Before anything else, don't forget that our word for today is word number 45, JIB-E, which is the Korean noun for home. Word number 44 is sigan, and this is the Korean noun for time. Word number 43 is koyangi, and this is the Korean noun for cat. Word number 42 is hakseng, and this is the Korean noun for student. Word number 41 is anieyo, and this is used to say it's not or it's nothing. Word number 40 is ne, and this is the standard, polite, and casual way of saying yes. Word number 39 is anio, and this is a formal and polite way of saying no. Word number 38 is check, and this is the Korean noun for book. Word number 37 is hakgyo, and this is the Korean noun for school. Word number 36 is mul, and this is the Korean noun for water. Word number 35 is choyo, and this is a way of self-introduction, which means this is me or it is me. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.